Now, when the second phase plan was announced, the plan is beyond comprehension, and we fail to understand that those findings done in the first phase will be conducted again in the second phase plan. Why not? The second phase is based on design to further what has been found in the first phase and move the investigation in the new direction and to other countries as well. World Health Organization should also investigate Fort Detrick and its 200 plus biolabs overseas. In particular, the Fort Detrick base is the headquarters of the US Biological Militarization Activities and the United States Army Medical Research Institute of Infectious Diseases in the principal entity. The international community and the American public have long voiced concerns about the unsafe activities in Fort Detrick. On these questions, the US side has never given any explanation to its own people and the international community. The US should invite World Health Organization's experts to investigate the University of North Carolina. The US has been accusing the Wuhan Institute of Virology for introducing COVID-19 with its coronavirus studies. The US should release the data concerning the second American military athletes who attended the World Military Games in Wuhan in October 2019. The US sent more than 300 people to Wuhan for the games. This should also be investigated. We all need to rely on the science to help us come out of this crisis. Similarly, if we are trying to trace the origin of the virus, then we still need to rely on the scientific investigations and procedures rather than politicization and focusing on only one country, that is China. As the World Health Organization has been following and on the second phase of the investigation to find out the trace of virus, then in the second phase, I strongly encourage World Health Organization and other international experts to expand their sphere of findings to other countries. China has raised the alarm to the world that the virus is here and it does not necessarily has the origins in China unless and until we are having a fair investigation done. This virus in minds is more deadly and harmful than any other virus. As major powers and global superpower, there is a need to have a responsibility to help humanity come out of this challenging time. If we continue to blame each other and focus attention only on politicization of the origin of the coronavirus, then we won't be able to work together on a common cause to help communities to come out of this difficult time.